Hello, my name is Guadalupe García McCall, and my poem, Quinceañera at the Capitol, celebrates Viridiana Sanchez Santos. When I first heard about what Viridiana had done, I was very, very proud of her. She took our heritage to the next level by creating un baile de movimiento. In Spanish, movimiento means more than movement. It actually means political movement, activism, which is exactly what Viridiana did. And I am so proud of her for combining courage and bravery with her heritage and showcasing that for us. One of the things that I saw when I first started thinking about this poem is I actually heard the quinceañera music and saw her going up there and envisioned her and her friends walking up those steps and striking a pose. And then I heard the music in my head and I could hear the heels click, click, clash, click, click, clash. And I could see the skirts swish, swish, swoosh, swish, swish, swoosh. And I thought, I want to capture that. I want to show the vibrancy of this beautiful thing that Viridiana did with her friends. And so I chose onomatopoeia. I chose exactly those words, click, click, clash, and swoosh, swish, swoosh, to show how beautiful and how courageous they were, and to honor her and her friends. And I also thought about, I want to capture that in the cadence of the poem itself, in the rhythm of the words. So I chose to use small sentences that were only 3 words, just like click, click, clash. I had, we are fearless. Yes, we are. We are beautiful. Yes, we are. Yes, indeed. We are worthy. We are strong. Things like that to capture the click, click, clash, swish, swish, swish of the poem. I think it would be lovely if you could try onomatopoeia, if you could find words that show the sound, that are written the way they sound, to celebrate those things in your environment and in your world. Have fun!